best drama-free application out there. Pretty much show you how to use it like a pro. So make sure to watch the full video. Stay tuned. Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application, and you have quite a lot of short films or short series. Some of them dubbed, you may get some of them in different languages, and you can also go at the top here to pretty much search for what you want. So in the idea, let's say homeless to riches, whatever the case is, these types of movies. These were the short movies. They're quite interesting, and you can go in the short section to pretty much see short clips of each of these movies that may catch your attention. Now, if you tap on the list section here, it will pretty much show you all the episodes within this movie here, and some of them you may need, just tap on it again, some of them you may need coins to unlock, so do keep that in mind. So each episode within this series is pretty much 20 coins to unlock. So if you don't got any coin, you may need to purchase some coin. As you can see the prices for the coin, and also you have subscription as well, where you can view all of these series for free without purchasing any coins. So all upon you can also watch ad to pretty much unlock the series. So if you want to unlock this series here, pretty much one episode, you have to watch an ad. So you can only unlock up to 8. So do keep that in mind. And here you can like it, give it a like, and also add it as your favorite by just tapping on that star icon here, and it will be in your My List section. So over here now you have the my profile. I would say my profile. Here you can go and check your coins, and also a bonus section here with bonus coins, and you can also get free coins by tapping on the earn rewards, and you get free coins just for checking in the application and doing other stuff as it relates. As you can see here, they give you other stuff that you can do to get coins as well, and you can watch ads to get coins as well. So if you don't have any cash to purchase any coin, you can also get free coins by just logging in the application and also doing other stuff down here. So that's pretty much all for this video here. And over here you have VIP subscription. Do keep in mind subscriptions on the series. You may unlock all series for 7 days, but some of them you will still need coins purchased or to unlock some of the series. That's pretty much it. And you can see one year subscription there as well. So that's pretty much it for that there. And if I missed anything at all in this tutorial, please comment below, and I would gladly love to help you out. And with all this, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. I will see you guys in the next tutorial.